India's southwest coast, a massive cargo ship carrying over 640 containers, including hazardous materials, has capsized and sunk off Kerala. The MSC ELSA 3, a 184-meter Liberian vessel, went down in the early hours of May 25, sparking fears of an environmental disaster.
Let me paint the picture of what happened. The MSC ELSA 3 departed from Trivandrum port on Friday, heading for Kochi.
Everything seemed normal until Saturday afternoon at 1:25 p.m. when the shipping company sent out a distress call to Indian authorities. The ship was listing, that means tilting dangerously, by 26 degrees and needed urgent help.
Within hours, the situation deteriorated rapidly. By the early morning hours of Sunday, May 25th, the vessel had capsized completely, that's about 38 nautical miles off the Kerala coast. The ship then sunk entirely beneath the waves.
Initially, 21 crew members were evacuated to safety, but 3 remained on board following company instructions, likely trying to save the vessel. However, as the ship's condition worsened rapidly, these final 3 crew members had to abandon ship. They were rescued by INS Sujata, an Indian Navy vessel that had joined the operation. What do you think about the emergency response? Should there be stricter regulations for ships carrying hazardous materials near sensitive coastlines? Let me know in the comments below.
Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our updates on this developing story. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.